Welcome back, guys. So this is my first unboxing and review video. So this is our guest, Lenevo Tab 7 Essential. We'll unbox it. Let's open it. Ooh, so satisfying, right? Here's the tablet itself. Some paperwork. Button, volume button, then like here you can insert your same or whatever you want to. Then over branding here. I'll set up it and show to you then. I've done it set up and it's ready to look. Like I've done the setup, so change the wallpaper and all. That means that the password I'll show to you. It's kind of slow. See, it has not come in yet. So, what's the price of this car? Let's take it later. So as I told you that I have set it up, so I have installed some apps and all also. Let's check its settings. Here it is. Settings. So it's actually Android 7.0. Old, a really old version. Today's time it's like 10. So status, not much. Okay, so RAM is 1 GB. Seriously? And storage 16 GB. Camera front 2 megapixel. Is that all? There's nothing more. So that's the unboxing. Now I'll give you a tiny bit of review. So let's check the price. Yeah, so we'll search up the internet about its price. Lenevo Tab 7 Essential. You can see it. Hey, wait. Yeah. Okay, so it does not show here. Let me check the packaging. Let's close this. Here is the packaging. So it says, where does it say? It says 10,000, almost 10,000, and it's made in China. That's not good. Is it? I don't think so. It's not supposed to be made in China. What can we do now? So like in its range, it's costly and does not give a lot of features. So by my side, I say that it's not worth it. But it's up to you. If you like it, you can buy it. Hey guys, meet you in my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye.